Hello everyone, we are automotive engineering students from Politeknik Dickson here to present our final year project which is for spring compressor. Let me introduce myself and my group mates. My name is Ganesha Nasidaran. My matric number is 06DAD21F1056.
My name is Kishan Alaki Padimal with the matrix number 06DAD21F1039.
My name is Karthikesh Analalaki Babalan. My matric number is 06 DAD21F1003.
My name is Shevna Anakimyandi. My matrix number is 06DAD21F1065.
Let me also introduce to our supervisor, Inche Mohammed Izzah Effendi bin Yusuf. He is also head of the automotive engineering department.
Let's begin with objective of our project. Firstly, an automotive engineering students have an idea to create a mechanism which is called fork spring compressor. Secondly, the fork spring compressor helps compress the spring in a motorbike fork, especially the motorbike which are Y15ZR, 125ZR, Legenda 115 fuel injection, EZ 115 fuel injection, and lastly EX5 fuel injection, and release the safety pins to remove the spring from the fork. And lastly, new or old mechanics can remove the spring easily without any hazard. This also makes them to work fast and save their energy.
Next, we move on to what is fork spring compressor. Fork spring compressor is a tool that is used to maintain and repair the suspension fork spring. When we are maintaining and repairing the fork spring, it's highly required to compress the spring in order to safely remove the pin so that we could change the spring or fork oil in the fork spring. Fork spring compressor is mainly designed in order to safely compress the spring without damaging the fork and also without injuring ourselves.
Next, let's talk about the time taken to create this project. The time taken to create this project was approximately 4 to 5 months due to delay in product shipment and change of project design. And let's move on to the parts and functions. The main part we are using for this project is double acting cylinder. This system works on the basis of air pressure. Compressed air is the medium that transfers energy to different users in the system. For an example, the cylinder's piston rod will have a movement such as forward and backward to compress the fork. The next part we use is air pressure gauge. Air pressure gauge measures the air pressure in double acting cylinder. The measurement of air pressure is essential for proper functioning of many systems and also can be used to monitorize and compressing, such as compressing this fork. The final part we use for this project is lever switch 5/2 way, which is functioned by the air which is coming from the air pressure gauge. The purpose of this switch is to control the piston rod of the double acting cylinder. By flipping the switch to one side, the piston rod will go forward, and flipping the switch the other side, the piston rod will go downward, which will compress the fork.
Now we move on to the demonstration. With help of this compressor, which is our power supply, the gauge is reading 3 psi. From the regulator, there is a hose. We go to the switch, 5-way switch lever, and then there's a 2 hose. We'll go to the 2 different outlets, which can help us to control the height of the piston. Now I can demonstrate this. Now the safety pin has been removed, so the lock. Now we can freely access the spring and the liquid. That's all. Now we move on to the safety precaution. Always obey safety precaution to avoid any injuries during the test. Our product also have few safety precaution. Firstly, keep your hand away from the fork during the spring compression. This can avoid any hand injuries. Second, maintain some distance from the fork after releasing the safety pin. The high rebound of the spring and the lock can hit your face, causing some major damage. Now we move on to the third. Always keep an eye on the pressure gauge when opening the coupling. This can avoid the coupling from open, but there is one solution. Before releasing the coupling, keep an eye on the gauge. If the gauge read higher than 0, then press this pressure release valve. This can clear all the pressure, which is air, and help to open the coupling without any pressure or make it flung open.
If you like our final year project, please do like, share, comment, and also don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.
Peace.